Hello everyone! Welcome back to the Monkey Quiz. Today will be an extremely difficult choice version. Would you rather food edition? Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss it. Thank you and have fun. Alright, let's go! Would you rather lava cake or cream caramel? Granola bar or cake pop? Barbecue ribs or beef steak? Bagel or croissant? Would you rather potato chips or popcorn? Five Guys or In-N-Out Burger? Baskin-Robbins' ice cream or Dairy Queen's ice cream? Bacon-wrapped wings or hot wings? Gummy bear or lollipop? Pretzels or cookies? Thank you for participating in today's challenge. If you like this video, remember to press the subscribe button and turn on notifications. See you again in the next video. Goodbye.